Hey, what's up you guys? It's Norddine. Welcome back to my channel, Moroccan Arabic Academy. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I decided to make another video about more Moroccan Arabic expressions. There are so many expressions that I want you guys to learn as soon as possible if you are really interested in learning Moroccan Arabic from the ground up. You see, this channel is dedicated to teaching you vocab, grammar, and expressions and all that stuff the easiest and fastest way. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this will help you in some way. Tell me in the description below what you think. Also, I'm giving free and paid Zoom classes, one-to-one Zoom classes. So if you are interested and would like to join in, you can find my contact information in the description below. Without much ado, let's go to lesson number 18, 27 Must Learn Moroccan Arabic Expressions, Part 6. So let's go to the lesson plan. By the end of this lesson, you are going to learn, in the expression section, you are going to learn some common daily expressions in Moroccan Arabic, random expressions. In the vocabulary section, you are going to learn some random common vocabulary, verbs plus nouns. In the grammar section, you are going to learn some personal pronouns, the object form, the subject form, and the singular and plural of verbs, adjectives, and nouns. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you like the video. So let's jump into expression number 1. Number 1, in the name of God. Bismillah, Bismillah. Okay, so we Moroccans, when we start eating, we say Bismillah, Bismillah, as gratitude to God. Okay, in the name of God. Bismillah, Bismillah. Number 2, thank God. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So thank is hamd, God is Allah. All right. Thank God, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Number 3, trust me, tiq biya. So trust is tiq, okay? Me, biya. So trust me, tiq biya, tiq biya. Number 4, I didn't understand, ma fahmtsh, ma fahmtsh. I understand, fahmt. I didn't understand, ma fahmtsh. Note the use of ma, okay, as a prefix, and the sh sound as a suffix to form the negative in Moroccan Arabic. I didn't understand, ما فهمتش, ما فهمتش. Number 5, let's meet at the cafe. نتلاقاو في القهوة. So let's meet, نتلاقاو at the cafe, في القهوة, في القهوة. So قهوة is the cafe. Okay, so don't confuse القهوة, which is coffee, with القهوة, which is the cafe. Okay. Number 6. Do you remember واش عقلتي? واش عقلتي? So واش is a WH question word that we use in Moroccan Arabic. Okay. It is the equivalent of what in English. Do you remember واش عقلتي? So remember is عقل, عقل. I remember عقلت. You remember عقلتي. They remember عقلوا. So do you remember a question? واش عقلتي? واش عقلتي? All right. Do you remember plural? واش عقلتو? واش عقلتو? Number 7. Speak to me. تكلم معايا. So speak is تكلم. To me, معايا. معايا means with me. So تكلم معايا means speak with me or speak to me in English. تكلم معايا. تكلم معايا. Number 8. Listen to me. اسمع ليا, اسمع ليا. So listen is اسمع, اسمع. To me is ليا, ليا. Okay. Listen to them. اسمع ليهم, اسمع ليهم. Okay. Listen to him. اسمع ليه, اسمع ليه. All right. Number 9. You can rely on me. ممكن تعتمد عليا. ممكن تعتمد عليا. So you can, ممكن. All right. Rely, تعتمد. On me, عليا. عليا. All right. ممكن تعتمد عليا. ممكن تعتمد عليا. Next. Number 1. No smoking. ممنوع تدخين. So smoking is تدخين. All right. No is ممنوع. So ممنوع is something which is prohibited. It's not allowed to do something. We say ممنوع. Plus, okay, what we prohibit. تدخين, for example, is smoking. ممنوع تدخين. ممنوع التدخين. Number 2, stand up. وقف. وقف. So stand up, for example, okay, when your teacher, for example, in Morocco, comes in the class, you stand up. وقف. وقف. Okay, and then you sit down. جلس. جلس. So stand up. وقف. Sit down. جلس. جلس. So sit down, please. جلس من فضلك. جلس من فضلك. All right. Stand up, please. وقف من فضلك. وقف من فضلك. Number 4, I forgot. نسيت. نسيت. Okay. So it is used in the simple past. نسيت. I forgot to bring my book. نسيت. ما جبتش الكتاب ديالي. نسيت ما جبتش الكتاب ديالي. I forgot to bring. نسيت ما جبتش my English book. الكتاب ديالي. الكتاب ديال الإنجليزية ديالي. For example. Number 5. Forgive me. اسمح لي. Forgive me please. اسمح لي عافاك. واسمح لي من فضلك. So please is عافاك or من فضلك. So اسمح لي. اسمح لي. اسمح لي عافاك. Number 6. I still can't forget. ما زال ما قدرتش ننسى. I still can't. ما زال ما قدرتش. Forget ننسى. I still can't forget. ما زال ما قدرتش ننسى. ما زال ما قدرتش ننسى. Number 7. I miss you. توحشتك. توحشتك. I miss you. I miss. توحشت. You is ek. So the ek suffix is the personal pronoun is in the object form. Now I miss you feminine. توحشتكي. So ki is also a personal pronoun in the object form in Moroccan Arabic. It is the equivalent of you feminine form in English. I miss you. توحشتك. I miss them. توحشتهم. So whom also is the equivalent of them. I miss you. توحشتك. توحشتك. Number 8. Bring your friends to the party. جيب صحابك للحفلة. جيب صحابك للحفلة. So bring is جيب. Your friends صحابك. والصحاب ديالك. Your friends صحابك or صحاب ديالك to the party الحفلة. So the party is الحفلة. جيب صحابك للحفلة. جيب صحابك للحفلة. Number 9. I meant no harm. ما نويتش نأذيك. ما نويتش نأذيك or ما نويتش نضرك. Okay, I meant no harm. For example, when you step on somebody's foot, you say ما نويتش نضرك. Excuse me. Okay, ما نويتش نضرك. اسمح لي. ما نويتش نضرك. اسمح لي. ما نويتش نأذيك. Okay. Next. Number 1. Respect the red light. احترم الضوء الأحمر. So respect is احترم. احترم. The red light. الضوء الأحمر. So الضوء is the light. Red is الأحمر. The color. احترم الضوء الأحمر. احترم الضوء الأحمر. Number 2. Help the elderly. عاون الناس الكبار. عاون الناس الكبار. So help is عاون. عاون. The elderly. الناس الكبار. People who are old. الناس الكبار. So الكبار are old. الناس people. عاون الناس الكبار. Note the inversion of the order of the adjective and the noun in Darija. So we start with the noun and then the adjective. In the English, it is vice versa. We start with the adjective and then the noun. Number 3, you are a liar. أنت كذاب. You are a liar. You are أنت a liar. كذاب. You are a liar. أنت كذاب. أنت كذاب. Number 4, you lied to me. كذبتي عليا. كذبتي عليا. You lied. كذبتي. To me. عليا. عليا. You lied to him. كذبتي عليه. You lied to her. كذبتي عليها. You lied to them. كذبتي عليهم. Okay? Number 5. The engine doesn't want to start. The engine doesn't want to start. So the engine, motor taken from French, doesn't want, ما بغاش. To start, démarrer. So to start is démarrer. So démarrer is taken also from French. So الموتور ما بغاش démarrer. موتور ما بغاش démarrer. Okay? Number 6. Don't raise your voice. ما تعليش الصوت ديالك. ما تعليش الصوت ديالك. So don't raise. ما تعليش. Your voice. الصوت ديالك. So voice is صوت and ديالك is your. Okay? ما تعليش صوت ديالك. ما تعليش صوت ديالك. Next, number 7. Relax. تهدن شوية. تهدن شوية. Relax a bit. So شوية is a bit. تهدن شوية. Number 8. She understands me. كتفهمني. So note, ni is also a personal pronoun, the object form for me in English. She understands him. كتفهمو. Okay? She understands them. كتفهمهم. So she understands me. كتفهمني. Number 9. And I understand her. وكنفهمها. And is u. I understand. كنفهم. Her is ha. Also ha is a personal pronoun in the object form for her, feminine, in English. وكنفهمها. Okay? She understands me. كتفهمني. And I understand her. وكنفهمها. كتفهمني. Okay, so congratulations, you have successfully finished lesson number 18. Of course, the first steps are always difficult in learning any new language, but keep watching, things will get easier and easier. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give it a big thumbs up. Your feedback will surely encourage me to make more videos. So stay tuned for the coming videos for more, and good luck.